I'm Ashita Priya Ivake 176-122. Today I'm going to explain about the first experiment in data structures and algorithm, that is implementation of stack. So here I'm using push function to check whether the stack is full or not. So if the stack is not full, we can push elements in, or if the stack is full, then we can pop element. If you want, we can pop element. So here what happens is here give us void push and int value. If top greater than or equal to -1, then cout will the output, it will be like stack overflow, or else top will get incremented and stack top equal to the value. And here it's the pop function for popping the elements out. So if top less than or equal to -1, cout will print as stack or underflow, or else cout will print as the popped element is, and then the value of the popped element, and the top will get decremented. So here I am going to use the display here. So void display if top greater than or equal to 0. To display the elements, the top should be greater than or equal to 0. So then the cout will print as stack elements are. Then here we are going to open a for loop. So for int I equal to top, I greater than or equal to 0, I will get decremented. Then cout stack I, here we are giving a space, then cout end. It will go to the next line. So else if else, then cout it will display as stack is empty. So now I'm going to open the main function, and then that I will declare the variables. And here I'm going to use the operations like cout. First one is to push in stack, and the next one is to pop from stack, and the next third one is to display stack, and the fourth one is to exit. Here I will begin, and I will open a do while loop. So here in do, I'll open enter your choice, and here it will get stored as ch. Then I will open a switch case. So case 1 is to enter value to be pushed, then case 2 for popping, case 3 for displaying, and case 4 to exit. And when default, it will if any default values come, it will print as invalid choice. Now I will run the program. So push and stack, I will be sure I'm doing it as 1, and then 4, and then 1, 6, again 1, 7, and 3, and then it is 2, 2, 6, 15, this is another choice. 6. Now we will move on to the second experiment, not the second experiment, first experiment part B, that is to convert infix to postfix using stack. So here I will create a class called infix and declare all the data types. Then in public, create a constructor and assign top equal to -1. I'm creating a constructor under the top equal to -1. Then get the data or expression from user and accept the input from the user, and create a function called push that accepts the character increment value. I'm going to creating a function called push and accepts the character and increments the value. So here on the next thing, I'm going to create a function called pop. In that, it will be decrementing the value. Then I will create the function called convert, and I and j is 0. Using while loop. Using while loop, I will check whether the first character is null or not. Here using the switch case we will do the further conditions. Then create a main function. In that create an object using object call the function from class infix. Now we will run the program and see. The infix expression I am giving it as a plus b plus c. So here I am getting the output. Thank you.